You're planning your first camping trip, but have no idea what gear to actually bring. Sound familiar? Well, you're in the right place. Today on OutdoorKitPro, we're breaking down the 16 best camping gear picks for beginners, covering everything from shelter and sleep to fire starting and cooking. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to pack. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list is the Rico Juxi 12-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit. And honestly, this is one of the smartest first purchases any beginner can make. It packs a tactical pen, flashlight, compass, wire saw, emergency blanket, whistle, multi-tool card, and a waterproof box all into one compact crossbody bag. The high-strength ABS plastic case is both waterproof and shockproof, so it can handle some rough weather. Weighing in at just 1.2 pounds, this kit won't slow you down on the trail. It's listed as an Amazon new release favorite, and for good reason. If you want one bag that covers your emergency bases, this is a great starting point. Next up, the Kyo Chuang Mylar Thermal Blankets, a product every beginner absolutely needs to toss in their pack. Made from military-grade 12-micron aluminized polyethylene, these blankets reflect up to 90% of your body heat, which can be a literal saver in cold conditions. You get 10 individually wrapped blankets in a single pack. They're fully waterproof and windproof, and compact enough to fit in a jacket pocket. Marathon runners and search and rescue teams swear by these, so you know they're legit. A must-have for any emergency kit. Don't overlook this one. The reference-ready Outdoor Knots Pocket Guide is one of those genius little tools you'll use on every trip. It covers 21 essential outdoor knots printed on 100% waterproof plastic cards, so they won't tear, fade, or fall apart even when soaked. A metal grommet binds the cards, and a mini carabiner clips the whole thing right to your gear. If you've ever fumbled with a tent rope or tried to tie down a tarp with no clue what you're doing, this guide is your answer. It's lightweight, durable, and actually fun to learn from. Great for beginners and scouts alike. Coming in at number 4, the Thrifty Bros Camping Cookware Kit is a fantastic choice if you want gear that'll last for years. Built from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this set includes a pot, pan, 2 plates, 2 cups, and folding cutlery, all stacked neatly in a nested design. Unlike aluminum kits, stainless steel can go directly over open flames without any coating concerns. It's uncoated, non-toxic, and handles high heat like a champ. The space-saving stacking design means everything packs tight into your bag without wasted space. A super durable, long-term investment for any beginner camper. Next, if you're watching the budget, check out the Odeland Camping Cookware Kit, a 10-piece set that weighs just 1.5 pounds total. It's made from anodized aluminum with a non-stick coating and comes with a pot, pan, kettle, cups, cutlery, and even a cleaning sponge, all fitting inside a mesh carry bag. The heat-resistant handles are a nice safety touch. This is consistently one of the top-rated budget picks for backpackers who want a complete, lightweight kitchen setup. It's not as heavy-duty as stainless steel, but for weekend trips, it more than gets the job done. A solid pick for ultralight hikers. Okay, this one genuinely surprised me. Meet the Frizz Cole 3-in-1 camping fan, and that battery alone makes it stand out. Packing a massive 20,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, this fan runs for up to 58 hours on a single charge. That's over 2 full days of airflow. It also doubles as a 3-level LED lantern and a power bank to charge your phone. The 270-degree rotation and built-in hanging hook make it easy to mount anywhere in your tent. It's one of the most powerful portable fans on the market right now. If you camp in warm weather, this is practically a must-have. Number 7. Malo-Me Sleeping Bags. For a good night's sleep outdoors, you can't go wrong with the Malo-Me sleeping bag. It's rated for 35 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a solid 3-season bag for most beginner camping trips. The outer shell is 210T ripstop polyester, waterproof, tough, and surprisingly soft. And the envelope-style design with a double-sided zipper gives you plenty of room to move. At 4 pounds with a compression sack included, it's not ultra-light, but it packs down well enough for car camping and casual weekend trips. This is widely considered the best value sleeping bag on Amazon for casual campers. Best for beginners who want comfort without spending big. Pair that sleeping bag with the FNARMW camping sleeping pad and you are set for a comfortable night. This pad is 4 inches thick and has a built-in foot pump that inflates it fully in just 60 seconds. No mouth blowing, no external pump needed. It's made from 40D nylon with TPU coating and holds up to 440 pounds. The hygiene factor alone makes the built-in pump worth it, especially on longer trips. It's incredibly beginner-friendly because setup is genuinely that fast and simple. A game changer for anyone upgrading from sleeping directly on the ground. Here's one most beginners forget: a proper camp towel. The Rainleaf microfiber towel is ultra-absorbent, antimicrobial, and dries 3 times faster than regular cotton. It can absorb up to 5 times its own weight in water, which sounds crazy, but it's real. It comes with a breathable mesh carry bag and a hanging loop, and you can grab it in sizes from XS all the way to XXL. The antimicrobial treatment keeps it from getting funky on longer trips, which is a huge win. It takes up almost no space in your pack and honestly makes a big quality of life difference. Great for any camper who values staying clean on the trail. At number 10, let's talk shelter, and the Wakeman Outdoors camping tent is a beginner-friendly pick through and through. It's a 2-person dome tent with a removable rain fly built from 190T polyester with PU coating to keep you dry when the weather turns. The large D-style door and mesh ventilation panels make getting in and out and staying comfortable inside super easy. It's designed specifically for quick assembly, so you won't be wrestling with poles in the dark at your campsite. Perfect for simple weekend trips and first-time campers. If you want a fuss-free tent that just works, this is it. For your tent lighting and airflow, the Odoland LED camping lantern and ceiling fan is a classic combo that's been an Amazon bestseller for over 5 years, and it's easy to see why. It features 18 super bright LED bulbs and runs on 2 D-cell batteries, giving you 37 hours of light, 50 hours on fan low, and 30 hours on fan high. The built-in hook mounts right to your tent ceiling. It's a simple, reliable, battery-powered 2-in-1 that doesn't require charging or complicated setup. Great for family camping trips where you want dependable, no-fuss lighting and airflow. An absolute classic for a reason. Number 12. Augury Camping String Lights. Want to make your campsite feel a little more like home? The Augury camping string lights are 33 feet of rechargeable, waterproof ambiance with an IPX6 waterproof rating on both the string and the main unit. You get warm white, RGB, and flashing modes, and the USB rechargeable battery means no AA batteries to track down. The standout feature? A manual crank retraction system that keeps the string from tangling when you pack up. That crank alone saves so much frustration. Ask anyone who's dealt with knotted string lights after a trip. These are a lovely touch for base camp or family camping setups. Perfect for beginners who want good vibes at camp. Number 13. SZH Lux Camping Hammock. Let's talk relaxation. The SZH Lux Camping Hammock is a double-size hammock that fits 2 people comfortably at 118 by 78 inches. Made from 210T parachute nylon, it holds up to 500 pounds thanks to high-density triple stitching throughout. Tree straps and carabiners are included, so you've got everything you need to get it set up right out of the box. It packs down into a small pouch and is lightweight enough to take on any hike. Triple stitching gives real peace of mind if you're nervous about safety. Best for beginners looking to kick back between two trees on a lazy afternoon. Number 14. LAFIZ Waterproof Lighter. Every beginner needs a reliable fire starter, and the LAFIZ Waterproof Lighter is a massive upgrade from a regular pocket lighter. It's a dual-arc plasma lighter, totally flameless, meaning it works even in heavy wind and rain where traditional lighters completely fail. It's USB rechargeable, has an IP56 waterproof case, a safety lock, and comes with a lanyard to keep it attached to your gear. This is the kind of lighter survivalists and serious hikers rely on because it simply won't let you down in bad conditions. No butane to run out, no flame to blow out, just reliable plasma arcs every single time. A must-have upgrade for anyone camping in unpredictable weather. Coming in near the end, the Free Soldier Waterproof Camping Tarp is one of those pieces of gear that does the job of 3 different items. It's 10 by 10 feet of 210T ripstop polyester with a PU 2500mm waterproof rating and 19 reinforced webbing loops for flexible configurations. Use it as a hammock rain fly, a ground sheet, a lean-to shelter, or an emergency cover. The options are genuinely impressive. The reinforced loops make it bomb-proof under real outdoor stress, and it packs down surprisingly small. If you're a beginner who wants versatility without buying separate pieces of gear, this tarp delivers. An incredibly smart value buy. Wrapping up our list is the Atomic Bear Paracord bracelet, and this little wrist accessory packs a surprising amount of function. It's a 5-in-1 survival tool with a flint fire starter, loud whistle, emergency knife, compass, and 12 feet of paracord all built into the bracelet. It fits wrist sizes 7 to 9.5 inches, comes in a 2-pack, and it's fully adjustable. It's one of the most frequently recommended pieces of kit for solo hikers and outdoor beginners because it's always with you, literally on your wrist. Lightweight, stylish, and genuinely useful in a pinch. A top-tier finishing touch to any beginner camping setup. And that's your complete guide to the best camping gear for beginners. If I had to pick 2 standouts, the Rico Jupsy Survival Kit for safety and the Frizzcole 3-in-1 fan for pure campsite comfort. All product links are in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe to OutdoorKitPro for more outdoor gear guides. See you on the trail.